Hello everybody. Today I'm going to repair Porsche Carrera. Front end repair. So, the car is in my workshop. Coat, front bumper, headlight as well as the entire front of the owner brought. I put the car on the frame machine and disassemble. So, the front end is disassembled. ABS system I also need to remove. But she is now clamped. Take off later. First thing, pulling out damaged places. Pulled out, removed the ABS and everything that bothered me for repair. Removing damaged metal. What I will change I removed. Now I need to fix the rest of the laundering. But first I will do measurements. Measurements made. Found out what and where to pull meat. Doing extra measurements. Wonderfully, all measurements good. Now I can install and weld everything. But first I need to have the right parts, which I will take from this donor piece. Needed parts I have. I can install and weld them. I will do all this with a little strain chains, so that the welding does not pull. Welding work finished. Now I need to paint the replaced parts. To put all removed parts. So, the replaced parts are painted and treated with anti-rust agent. Now I'm putting parts of front end. Checking the gaps.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Okay, the car is going to be painted. After some time. The repair of this Porsche is complete. That's all for this day. Subscribe to see new videos. See you later.